Hyde Leadership and International Exploration's Magnet Elementary School, home of the Beagles and part of USD 259 Wichita Public Schools. Hyde's mission is that Hyde students will achieve personal success and become responsible 21st century leaders while gaining a global perspective. Hyde's vision is that the Hyde community will synergize to create a welcoming place that embraces diversity and faces challenges together to do what is best for kids. The Leader in Me Magnet theme is based on Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and has been transformed into the 7 Habits of Happy Kids. This is a social and emotional curriculum meant to help students take responsibility for their learning. Students also learn to set goals and determine steps that need to be taken to meet these goals. The International Explorations Magnet theme happens at every grade level and builds upon one another each year. Kindergartners start learning about their self and their neighborhood, and by the end of 5th grade, all students have covered all continents. Magnet presentations happen 2 times every school year to share with families and the school. Magnet Theme Days and Leadership Day is something that also happens once a year. This is an opportunity for students to showcase their learning to families and guests. Hyde has an increased use of technology using Google Chromebooks. Students are able to use Google Classroom to complete assignments as well as collaborate with one another. Hyde is an avid school, which helps teachers use the most engaging teaching practices, while it helps students become college and career ready through a variety of learning techniques and keeping their materials organized. Hyde also offers a latchkey program. All times that latchkey is offered, there is a variety of games and activities for students to partake in. Latchkey is available before school, after school, and throughout the summer, which includes special field trips multiple times throughout the week.